Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial and welcome to my channel, welcome to Few Geeks. And today our topic is about Spark Driver. In this video what I am going to teach you guys about what is Spark Driver and what are the responsibilities of Spark Driver. Yeah, if you are looking into the architecture, here we can see there are different components like Spark Context, Cluster Manager, Worker Nodes, and inside Worker Nodes we can see Executor. As a part of Executor, we can see Task, uh, a cache, memory, everything. Yeah, but in this tutorial, there are different components which I'm going to explain in further videos. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys about what is driver program. If we are looking to what is driver program is, whenever we are submitting any Spark job, for every Spark job there will be a one Spark driver. What this Spark driver is the process that creates and owns the instance of Spark context. Spark context is like main. Will I'll upload one more video about the Spark context, and that is all about. And if you are looking into what are the responsibilities of Spark context is, no, Spark driver is driver program is responsible for launching various parallel operations on the cluster, and also driver program contains application main function, that is nothing but Spark context. Driver program is also responsible for converting the user program into unit of physical execution, which is called tasks. If you are looking in this diagram, here we can see there is a inside the worker node, we can see there are tasks. As soon as you submit your Spark job, what it will do, this Spark driver program will activate and it will convert our user program into physical execution plan, and it will send to task worker node. There we can see there are different tasks inside the executor, and also it will what it will do, it will send the tasks to worker node, and it will also schedule the tasks on executor. A driver coordinates workers and overall execution of tasks. Normally what it happened is Spark program creates a logical plan called direct acyclic graph, that is called DAG, and which is converted to physical execution plan by driver when the driver program is running. And DAG, we can, if we are looking into the user interface, if we are launch any PySpark shell or Spark shell, there we can see the DAG. Anyhow, don't worry, as of now if you don't know also, I'll upload one more video about DAG. And also we can say there is a one important point is like high level control flow of work. This driver program is the high level control flow of the work. And also one of the main point is, if your Spark applications runs as long as the Spark driver is running. Once the Spark driver is terminated, it does the same thing on the Spark application as well. So that is it about Spark driver, guys. If you have any questions about the Spark driver or any technology related question, just comment in the below session so that I'll clarify your doubts accordingly. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this is useful, please share my video accordingly. Thanks for watching.